Who is the first advocate in Odisha? Option A Gopabandhu Das, Option B Madhusudan Das, Option C Madhusudan Rao, Option D Gangadhar Meher. Who is first central minister in Odisha? Gopinath Mohanty, Fakir Mohan Senapati, Ranganath Mishra, Harikrishna Mahatap. Who is past chief secretary in Odisha? Nilamani Senapati, Guru Prasad Das, Nimai Majhi, Dayanidhi Das. Who is first lady engineer in Odisha? Option A Pratibharani Patel, Sudhira Das, Hemakante Mishra, Option D Anjana Naik. Who is first lady IPS in Odisha? Option A Soumya Mishra, Jayanti Hota, Hemakanti Sahu, Option D Sukuntala Kormi. Who is first lady IAS in Odisha? ଏଇଟା ଆପଣମାନେ ମୋତେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ। ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଅପକମିଂ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ହିଁ ଭଲ ରହିବ ଆଉ ଭଲ ଆଣିବି ଆଗକୁ।